salamat. I beg your I apologize. I was not able to recognize you when I met you outside. I thought you are one of our classmates. And I was remember, Sir Freddy, I am a lawyer. I'm sworn to tell the truth and nothing but the truth. Okay. And I'm so happy that all 5 of you faculty members are here with us tonight. And si Ma'am Calabio, I used to see every morning sa Sampaloc Lake. Nag-exercise siya, nag-brisk walking. Ako nag-brisk walking din. And noong pa, I had wanted to tell her na meron kaming reunion. But I was saving it up for the very last moment. Nung sasabihan na kita, nawala ka na sa Sampaloc Lake. Sabi ko, nasan si Ma'am? Hindi ko na masabihan. So it's a good thing na alam ni Sir Freddy ang CP number mo. So he gave me your number and I was able to call you up. Si Sir Attorney Cabrera, may kompanyero. Kapitbahay ko naman ito sa may law office ko sa Flores. So malamit ko itong makita every afternoon without fail. Dumadaan yan doon sa tapat ng opisina ko. And you know where he's headed every afternoon that I see him? He's headed to Shakey's. Minsan sinundan ko si Sir. Ano kayang ginagawa nito sa Shakey's? Nung sinundan ko siya, nakita ko siya doon. Merong isang pitcher ng draft beer. Sabi ko, ito pala ang sekreto para humaba ang buhay. Si Sir sabi niya, tayo daw ay naririto kasi may plano pa ang Diyos o may plano pa tayo sa buhay. When he said that, na-remember ko yung mother ni Loida. She's 96 years of age. And she's a very prayerful woman. One night, I was eavesdropping on her. And she was praying so intently. And I heard her pray something like this. Lord, remember she's 96. Lord, bigyan po niyo ako ng maraming mahabang buhay. Kasi marami pa po akong plano sa buhay. Sabi ko, wow, 96 years old. Pero may usapan na kami ni Loida. Pag lumampas pa ng 96 yan, okay. I'm so happy that my mother-in-law, whom I love very dearly, is in my care. Is in my care, you know. I read an article once na there's this guy and he was passing by this house every night, and every time he passes by this house at night, this house was so brightly illuminated, and he was wondering why it was so brightly illuminated every night that he passes by this house. And finally he couldn't hold himself back. He went to the house, knocked on the door, and spoke with the persons inside the house. And you know what he discovered? Kaya pala malinaw na malinaw, maliwanag palagi yung buhay na yun, ang bahay na yun. Kasi merong isang babaeng matanda doon na very prayerful. Kaya yung pala nagbibigay ng ano. Kaya yung biyanan ko talagang sabi ko sa kanya, Nay, diyan ka lang, dasal ka lang ng dasal. Lumiwanag ng bahay. It took some effort. I would like to acknowledge the efforts of the members of the organizing committee which organized this reunion. I would like to thank Ladi Arandia of Section 4A, Recto Belen of Section 4A, of course, Alex Imlano, Section 4A. May kumparing Alex because si Mrs. niya ay katuwang ko sa kasal nung kinasal yung isang abogado doon sa Laia. Also, I would like to acknowledge the efforts of Jimmy Hernandez from Section 4B. And who else did I miss? Freddy Freddy Velasco of Section 4A, Boy Victoria, Section 4A, and Romy Alzano of Section 4A. I hate Paul. Paul! Ito si Paul, kumpare ko ito, kaya hindi ko na ito binabanggit. Pero I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but yung wife po ni Romy Alzano, just a few days ago, suffered a stroke. According to Labi, parang brain dead. He was assassinated. Niratrat po ng Armalite, 15 wounds, year. Sabi ng family, according to the witness, nung tinamaan si Eddie, he fell face down. While he was in that position, tinira pa. Seven more bullets pierced his helpless body. So, sobra akong nalulungkot kasi siya po dapat ang in charge dito sa slides. And that Friday night, he told me, sabi niya, June, yung assignment mo sa akin, done, accomplished. Sa reunion natin, meron tayong slideshow where ipoproject na sa screen yung mga high school pics namin. I do not know if Bertie was able to kinuha ko po yung CD sa kanyang asawa at sa kanyang apo, CD at yung USB. I will let Bert siguro later on I'll let Bert handle that because siya ang techi, hindi naman ako. Tonight, if you don't mind, I would like to propose that we pass the hat for Eddie and also for the wife of Romy. Yung mga classmates ko from the States, they've already generously made a buloy. Danny gave the money to me yesterday, amounting to about 21,000 pesos. And I gave the money to Mrs. Bergados this morning at around 10 o'clock. And this reunion is also for you, Eddie. Nakasakit po kasi after so many years, ngayon muli siya nakita. Medyo nakabanding mo na uli. And then all of a sudden, bigla na lang siyang kinuha ng Panginoon. But I'm sure God has plans that we cannot fathom, plans that we cannot see. We just have to accept the wisdom of His actions. Okay, bago po ako mapayak, tawanan ako ng aking asawa. Maraming pong salamat and don't go away. Ito pong ang reunion nito, ang concept po nito ay class night. What we used to have at Ateneo, class night. So, pamorningan po ito. And Alex has rooms for those who want to sleep, kung gusto pang tumulog. And Alex has generously prepared midnight snacks and pulutan. So, please, I would like to say cheers to Alex and my kumare. This is Alex Milano. Okay. By the way, ito pong venue ay free of charge. Wala pong bayad. Yung pong pagkain ay depende po kay Mrs. kung pababayarin tayo. Pero may bayad po yan, may bayad. Okay, pero itong venue po ay compliments po ni Alex and his wife. Thank you very much.
So tayo po ay dadako na sa ating socialization. Salamat po.
Kaya ang tawag sa akin. Yung espresso.